Use a special measuring tool to measure the spacer disc for the bevel gear wheel. Attach the threaded rod to the sprocket support. Then bolt this assembly onto the gear wheel, hand tightening the bolts. Afterward, place the bearing shell for the outer ball roller bearing onto the housing support. All of this is then placed on the bearing surface for the rear axle housing. You need a measuring plate for the next step. Fit the measuring gauge onto the die. Set the gauge to a pretension of 3.5 millimeters. Place the ball roller bearing on the measuring plate. Then place the dial with the die on it. Now you can calibrate the dial to 0. Then place this assembly on the sprocket support. The supporting disc is placed on the die next. Now connect the force applicator and the corresponding spring. Screw this construction onto the threaded rod as well. Then turn the lever so that it touches the spring without any play. Observe the value on the dial. The value initially remains constant and then suddenly decreases. The lever now touches the spring without any play. Important, you must now no longer turn the lever any further. Next, hold the entire assembly. Then turn the lever 14 rotations to the right. Then you have to turn the entire assembly. Use a hexagonal wrench to turn it 10 rotations to the right. Then continue with 14 rotations. You have to hold the assembly again and turn the lever to the right. Then rotate the entire assembly again. At the same time, read the highest and lowest values on the dial. In our case, the highest value is -2.482, and the lowest is -2.492. Record the values. Now you can calculate the thickness of the spacer disc. Perform the calculation as follows. Add the highest value and the lowest value, and then divide by 2. This provides a mean value. In our case, the mean is 2.487 millimeters. Then add a correction value of 0.07 millimeters to this value. This gives us a disc thickness of 2.557 millimeters. After this, remove the entire special tool. Remove the bevel gear wheel.